Here we are at the park, getting Cooper, Frank used to some wildlife. Got some birds over here. Of course, he wanted to chase them, but he did good. Leave it is a great command. Works for everything. People, stuff on the ground, birds. There was a guy mowing. He did great. There was people walking a dog. He did great. He's doing much better with his reactivity with other dogs. But we'll be going camping where there's bison. So that'll be quite interesting because nobody around here has bison for me to train him. But I did find some longhorns by a restaurant. Maybe I'll take him over there. Good command. Distracting him. Good job. Frank's loose leash over there. This is a great park to come to, especially when there's a lot of people.